Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to integrate biometric attendance device with your own server. Firstly, purchase the HRM attendance scheduler app. Run the installer, then click Next, Install to complete the setup. Navigate to the install directory and find hrm.exe and create a desktop shortcut. To auto-start the app when the computer boots up, press Windows plus R, then type shell startup and hit enter. Now open the HRM Attendance Scheduler app and enter the purchase key and base URL. Click Next to proceed and enter the device details, like device IP address and port number. Click Save to complete the device configuration. The app will now send attendance data to the server every hour. To sync employee details between the HRM app and the biometric device, enter the employee ID in the app, then click Save. The data will sync to the ZK code device. Enter the employee ID and choose Delete. Data will be removed from the device. And finally, all you have to do is automate attendance data sync. Keep the computer powered on, check the server logs to verify successful data transfer, and regularly update the HRM software and device firmware. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.